Hi class 3, welcome back to your value education class. Hope you all are staying well. Today we are going to start with another new chapter, right? You can take out your book. Let's start. Today's topic is gaining knowledge. Now, before I start, what do you understand by this term called knowledge? See, anything that we learn is acquiring knowledge. Knowledge is something which we gain only once we learn. Only once we know about that topic, then we gain that knowledge. And when we share it with others. Right? When we are already known to that fact, then only we are able to share. So something that can lift our mind, something that can give us information, to collect information, and when needed, when we use those information is called knowledge, right? So our topic of the day is gaining knowledge. Let's see what is there in this chapter. Learning means acquiring knowledge or skill. Learning things at school is very important. The different subjects that we learn at school, such as English, Hindi, Maths, Science, History, Geography, Computer, General Knowledge, Physical Education, etc. give us the knowledge to live our lives intelligently and wisely. So, in this chapter, it is about education, right? Knowledge is related to education. Knowledge can be of anything that you learn, that you know, that you acquire. So here the topic focus on your education. So in school, what is important? We learn different subjects, and when we learn or when we study different subjects and we acquire knowledge, we become more intelligent about that topic. We become wise about that topic, and we can also share it with others. Knowledge gives us the power to live a successful life. With the help of our knowledge, we can take right decisions at right time. Of course, if you have if you are well known about a topic, then you can of course take your own decision, right? So it's very important that you need to know the things which are unknown to you. It's the power, it's the key to success. Knowledge is the key to success. Once you know something, and when you are able to apply that, then you move to a correct path, right? Learning has no limitations or age bar. It continues forever. Yes, it's not that if I say I have learned everything, I know everything, whatever is there in this world, then I am the most foolish person in this world. I cannot say like this, because each moment we learn, and there is no age limit for that. There is no limit of learning. You can learn at any moment of your life, while walking, while talking, while moving out, in the classroom, outside the classroom, at home. You know, in every step of your life, you learn things. You learn new things. See, like you may have knowledge on a particular topic, but you may not have knowledge on the other topic, the other side, right? So, when you know a particular topic, you are knowledgeable only on that. Now, if you want to know the other side also, you need to learn, right? So, it's very important to know that learning cannot be like, you cannot stop yourself learning new things. It can be learned at any moment of your life. Okay. So, we learn new things throughout our lives. Paying attention in class and learning new things is very essential. At times, it can save our lives. So, from here, we will learn one new chapter or new topic. It's called a narrow escape. So let's see what is there in this chapter. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old English girl. On 26 December 2004, Tilly was in Phuket in Thailand. on a holiday trip with her family. They were taking a stroll on the beach near their hotel. So, this is a story of Tilly. She was 10-year-old English girl. Okay. And the day is mentioned here on 26 December 2004. They were in Thailand, Phuket. They went for a trip with family and they were just strolling on the beach. Means just walking. And they were near the hotel. Tilly was fond of beaches and was enjoying herself there. She was enjoying there. Okay. Suddenly she noticed something strange. So something very strange means which she is not aware of. She noticed that. The sea which was so calm a while ago, was becoming rough. The water was bubbling, foaming, sizzling as if it was in a frying pan. So, while she was strolling there, what she observed, suddenly there was a change in the sea. The sea which was very calm while they were walking or they were strolling, suddenly she could see that it was becoming rough and it was bubbling, it was foaming, the foams were visible and it was sizzling as if something is there on the frying pan. Tilly remembered the video clip which her geography teacher had showed her a few weeks ago. She became terrified. She said to her mother, "Mom, there are symptoms of tsunami. Let's move away from here quickly." So, while she could relate the situation in the beach with the video that she has seen when her geography teacher was showing it to her, she suddenly understood that the situation is going to be terrific, because when the water was bubbling, sizzling and foaming, that means it can be the symptoms of tsunami. So, she understood that and immediately she told to her mother to move from that place quickly. Her mother, who had never heard about the tsunami before, did not pay heed to her words. That means mother was not aware of this term called tsunami or what is it actually about. So she didn't pay any heed to her. That means she didn't pay any attention to her, what she said. Just overlooked. She said, "Tilly, calm down. It's nothing." So Mama said, "Calm down, Tilly. It's nothing. Nothing is going to happen." Tilly tried to convince her mom. She said, "Mama, probably there has been an earthquake somewhere deep in the sea. Soon a crushing wave is about to come over this beach." So she was trying her best to convince her mother after observing that situation that maybe it has happened that deep into the sea there was an earthquake somewhere, and she was trying her best to convince mom to move from that place, and soon after that we will be observing again there will be another crushing wave. Her mother did not pay any attention to Tilly's anxieties. Now, she continued walking on the beach. Tilly's anxiety increased. She said, "Mama, I am serious. Let's leave the beach and also tell everyone to do so." So they kept on moving. Mama kept on moving actually with her, but Tilly was very much with anxiety. She was continuously trying to convince her mother. Also, she wanted the other people to move from that place because she was very much sure about the fact that something is going to happen, something bad is going to happen. Tilly's father, Mr. Smith, said to Tilly's mother, "I think we should listen to Tilly and move away from here quickly. We should warn other people too." So father was little convinced and father told mom that let's move and also we will inform the other people here. The whole family rushed back to the hotel. As soon as they reached their hotel, Mr. Smith informed the hotel staff about the symptoms of tsunami. After this, he and some of the hotel staff rushed to the beach and persuaded the people who were still there to vacate the beach as quickly as possible. So, They moved immediately, rushed to the hotel. From there, what father did? Father informed the hotel staff and they took the initiative to come back again. They informed all the people who were there in the beach, still they were there, to vacate the place and move from there as early as possible, because there can be a high chance of tsunami, because the symptoms say so. Within minutes, 3 massive waves struck the beach, one after the other, wiping out everything that was there. So within minutes, means within a minute, the situation changed, and what happened? 3 massive waves struck the beach one after the other, and it wiped out everything whatever was there in the beach. Tilly saved her family, hundreds of other people who had vacated the beach in time. Later, it was found that their beach was one of the most fortunate beaches in Thailand, where people had a narrow escape from the dangerous tsunami waves. Everyone praised Tilly for her presence of mind. So later what happened? They found that it was told to them that it was one of the fortunate beach. Why fortunate? Because Tilly was able to move those people who were there, could vacate the place, and nobody was harmed or injured. Okay, so she was praised because of her presence of mind. So from here, why this story is given, we learn that she has already learned in the school. That's what I told you in the beginning. When you acquire knowledge, you need to share it. You need to execute that knowledge. Then only you are able to say that you are knowledgeable. You know the things. So when she has already come across the topic called tsunami in her school few weeks ago, she could relate that when she was in the beach, when she was in the trip. How she could relate? She could see that place, the same symptoms which her teacher taught her, okay, in geography class. So when she was able to relate both the things and it was quite same, she could understand that maybe these symptoms are of tsunami, and she took the initiative to save the people over there. Okay. So moral is what you learn in classroom is important. Be attentive in class. We need to learn the things properly. You know, the essence of knowledge is to know what obedience and worships are. Okay. So to something which is unknown to us should be known, should be we should pay heed to it, and we should learn the things. Then only we can acquire knowledge. So learning is very important. Wherever you go, you keep yourself attentive so that you learn and observe the thing. You can relate it in your life. Okay. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Next class I will come with the question answers. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.